I'm using my phone audio.
Yes.
Was that a yes or no? I didn't hear anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. And I got the camera flipped. Okay. So we have a lake full of fish. I wonder how many fish are in the lake. Full of fish. You don't want to eat them. Not only are they at least a year old, but they've been touched by lots of people. Please don't. Because I have them counted. And if you eat one, then my count is off. All right, so how many fish are in the bucket? Yeah, we're gonna guess right now. How many fish are in the bucket? How many fish are in the lake? The other bag is marked. Okay, how do scientists, environmentalists, okay, calculate the area? How do they get the number of fish in that area? Don't?
I'm thinking about 805,086.40.
Okay. So Mercedes said they take all the fish in one portion and they multiply by the area. But the fish don't stay still.
I guess 287. 900.
900?
I would say 212.
Okay.
Give me about 374.
So here's how scientists actually count the number of fish in a lake. They go fishing. And then they tag the fish and they return them to the lake. And then they go fishing again. And they see how many tagged fish they catch compared to how many non-tagged fish they catch. So who would like to go fishing for the first time? Cameron wants to go fishing. Here's your fishing pole.
I got a full John.
All right, so you're gonna count how many fish you caught, and we're gonna replace those fish with tagged fish. I'm gonna tag those fish. I did. So these have X's on both sides. Can you get me as many tagged fish as Cameron has? Go ahead and count out loud so Michael can start counting.
17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 29, 30, 31, 34, 5, 36, 7, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57.
57 tagged fish. Okay. So we're gonna put the tagged fish back in the lake.
Yeah. 50 cents.
So are we adjusting our estimates then? Okay. Yeah, I counted them yesterday. Okay. So, if you don't mind. So now Nate's gonna go fishing. He's gonna count his fish as fast as he can. Would somebody mark these on the board? Okay. Thank you, Cam. And just write down who and how many. Oh, you're gonna need 3 columns. Number of fish, number tag. Oh, we got a broken fish.
Gosh dang it. $38 and then 5.
So 38 total or 38 plus 5 is total?
That's 5.
Okay, so there's 5 tagged and 43 total fish. Yep. All right. Mixing it back up. Just checking your work. Anastas? How many are tagged? It's tagged on both sides, so you don't have to. 63 total,
1 tag.
1 tagged. Okay, tell her this is gonna be recorded and she can just watch it. Here's your fishing pole, Noah. It's fine. Not that many of us.
Somebody in the 52 total. 2 marked fish.
Okay. Those of you who've already counted, if you feel the need to get hand sanitizer, because the fish are gross, I totally get that. The aged cheddar flavor.
Those are 8-year-old. Yeah.
Probably.
Forever. All right. 58 and then 3.
58 plus 3 or 58 total?
58 total.
Okay, 58 and 3. Alrighty. Okay, Tucker.
Yeah.
So how have your estimates changed at this point?
About the same. I'm still sticking with 600.
660.
Oh, wait. Where's everybody else?
We got 3 more people to count. Say what? They have to put them back.
Oh,
So yours are tagged. So we tagged the fit. Normally you put the tag. Wow. So the goal is to try to find out how many fish are in the lake. I did take one fish out because it was broken.
Right now we are
Just one. So you don't want to add those up. It's a sample that you're taking each time. $58 and $5. Just stuck it in there. Wow, she got a lot of tag fish.
Who's Hannah? What? Hannah. Hannah, Hannah. You wrote Hannah. Or Hannah.
Hey.
54. 8 tags.
It's really good to see what I only saw one. Good.
Oh, just- Well. Yeah. Here, one second. I was wondering.
58.
58, 6.
6 tag. Cam.
What?
58 and 6.
58?
You didn't get yours either? 54 and 8.
Okay.
Liv, what was yours? 58 and 6. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, now how do we figure out how many fish are in the bucket based off of this information?
Add up all that.
How many fish are in the bucket?
Use the Pythagorean theorem.
You can hold this. Okay.
Average.
Okay. Average is a good method. Average is what?
Average of the. What? Everybody's totals.
Okay. So what do I do with 43 and 5?
Subtract them.
So 11% of Nate's fish were tagged. Okay. So let's do the other one. 163.
You have 5% battery.
Nope.
Twinsies.
Okay. 3 out of 58. You're out of 58. 5 out of 58. 0.6. 0.86.
What?
8 out of 58. No, 8 out of 54. 148. And 6 out of 58. Okay, now what do we do?
Add them all up.
Okay. So we add them all up.
Add them all up, then you got to multiply them by how many people caught fish.
When I add like that,
Now add up or multiply by every person that caught fish. So,
The total, or should we be finding the average number of tagged fish per?
I thought we were just trying to find how many fish are in the
Divide
bucket.
that number by 5, 6, 7, 8. Divide by 8. So on average, 0.07% of tagged fish.
What is that? For the red.
How'd you get the average?
So I added these up and I divided by 8.
Divided by 8.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you divided by how many?
11% fish. So
Okay.
on average, 7.07% of the fish you caught were tagged. So in theory, 0.07% of the fish in the lake should be tagged. Oh, Olivia.
Is it 0.07%? Is that like
0.07. Point 0.07. That is 7. Okay, so that much. Okay. So how many fish were total were tagged? 57. That one.
Times 0.07. Divide.
57 tagged fish over the total should be 0.07. So how do we solve that for X?
Yeah.
So it's 57 divided by 0.07. Oh. When I do that, I get 814 fish.
I was right.
Okay, so that's
I said
how
800
it's
fish.
done for like actual environmentalists. They take lots of samples and they figure out the average. Our answer is way off.
We won't tell them.
I don't care. I live.
Alright, so there were only 585 fish.
Oh.
And we got 814.
I said 800. What the hell?
So, the samples are going to be off. They're not gonna be 100% correct. But other than draining the lake and counting the fish, no other way to do it. Right?
Never really.
Alright, who wants to take through here and pull out 57 tagged fish?
Let's do it.
Lydia's gonna do it for me. There should be 60 out of the time they get.
All right, I was hoping we.
Do you want these fish back in there?
Not yet. Shoot, we will, but actually you can put them in there now. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna unpin here. Okay, so from here, we're gonna watch, how much time we got left?
like 12 minutes?
10 minutes. We are gonna watch a little Parties to Betty video. I linked that in your Google Classroom assignment, so you guys can watch that on your own. And we don't have any homework today. Questions? Hold on, can't hear you.
Yeah.
Questions? Go ahead.
Why were they counting fish?
Because we were trying to estimate how many fish were in the bucket without actually counting all the fish in the bucket.
Do you want me to
So they would take a sample.
Count so many fish if they didn't count every fish in the bucket.
Well, because if it was a real lake, you couldn't count every fish in the lake.
Okay.
So we took a sample and then we found out how many were tagged and we did those percentages on the board. So then we match the tag percentage with our actual percentage.
Start to meet.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna get more into that. This is just the intro. So you'll be fine, Paige, I promise.
Okay. Do I still meet at 2?
No, you're good. So I'll see you, watch that video that I linked, the Annenberg Learner one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay. So the thing we scheduled, we're not doing?
Nope. You already
Okay.
said-
Is race.
Yes.
I think Boston was out.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Deep discussion.
That was one big box, but all the broken ones got taken out, and I'm pretty sure Matt Kids ate a bunch the night we were counting them.